and thank you for watching our video. This is a how-to of how to clean up a copper pipe and we're going to solder on an elbow. This is Isaiah. He's going to be doing all the work. You'll be hear my voice throughout the thing, so yeah. If I sound like a redneck, too bad. These are the tools you'll be using first. We have some cutters. The 3 different cutters right there for different size. If you're in a hard to reach spot, you'll want to use this one and this one. To clean it up would be this right here. You can see the different brushes in there for 1/2 inch to 3/4. Tip's broken off on that one, but you use this to clean the inside. Then we have the solder back here, the flux. This is a reamer tool, and we have our Bernzomatic torch back there. We're going to use to heat it up, and we have cool gel, which is to cool it off afterwards. And so this is the pipe of what it looks like. You can see it's all torn up, got some holes in there. That's handiwork with me. And Isaiah is going to show you how to cut it off and clean it up. Alright, Isaiah.
Okay, we're going to use this 3/4 cutter right here. It's real simple to use. And just wrap it around here. Close it, and we're going to start to turn it. And as it turns, it'll begin to cut off the damaged end of the pipe. This cutter specifically for 3/4 inch copper pipe. Couple turns and it's off. Damaged piece. We're gonna we're gonna remount the middle right here of this 3/4 inch pipe using this
reaming tool.
This reaming tool right here. We're going to start with reaming out the inside of the copper pipe. Just give it a few turns. And if you want to zoom in on that, you can see where it's reamed out the edge of that pipe on the inside. The inside of this tool is for the outer edge of the copper pipe. So we're going to do the outer edge. Few turns. After we have all the edge reamed out, both inside and out, we're going to use our sanding brush right here for the 3/4 inch, which is the bigger one right here. Put it on there. Give it a few good turns. Clean pipe now. Next, we have the 3/4 inch elbow that we're going to be soldering on. John here has already cleaned it on the inside using this same tool with the brush. Sticking it in there, cleaning it out to make sure we get a good bond after we've soldered using the flux. We'll stick it on there. Well, actually, we're going to add the flux first.
So how much flux should you put on there?
Light coat. I never do nothing too much. Just probably like that is enough. And I also, just to be safe, I always do the inside of the fitting. The flux is what helps draw in the solder so that we get a complete seal. Next, we're going to heat this up right here at the joint. With this torch, you probably want to heat up for, what would you say, maybe a good 30 seconds or so?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe a little longer. You should be able to touch this pipe with the solder, and it should be able to just melt right around the edge and be pulled in with the flux. So Now, I only had to touch the very top of this fitting, and the flux pulled in the solder all the way around. If you look at the bottom down here, you can see that we got a complete seal using the solder. The flux helps to just suck it in all the way around the fitting, which is why it's used. Next, you don't want to touch, you always want to wear gloves. This is very hot. And just wipe it off, clean it up. We'll normally inspect this to make sure I don't see any pinholes around where I soldered. Make sure there's no openings around this. It looks good all the way around, like it's sealed. In the case where it didn't seal, where you might see an opening or maybe no solder, you'll simply just heat it back up. Sometimes you'll get lucky and solder will fall right into the crack after it's heated at a certain temperature, or you could just retouch it and it'll suck it back in and close any gaps you might find. And that's how you solder in a 90-degree 3/4 inch elbow.
Pretty cool, huh? If you didn't know, hey, now you do.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching our video. Please feel free to hit that like button and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.